Chapter 3, The Discipline of the Blade. A fine katana is forged through fire, folded upon itself until impurities have no refuge. So too your character. The furnace is routine. The folding is repetition. The polish is reflection. Morning motivation is not a feeling, it is a contract you sign while the world still sleeps. Rise when you say you will. Stand in seiza, breathe into the belly, count to 20 slowly, and watch the storm inside you obey the command of your breath. Sharpen your blade with simple, ruthless habits. Guard the first and last hour of your day. No idle noise. No aimless drift. Train the body. Sweat is the ink of confidence. Gym, road, or field, move. Read to sharpen judgment. 1 page with intention is worth 100 without it. Execute one vital task to completion. Not started, finished. Productivity is not speed, it is precision. Focus is not clenched teeth, it is relaxed power. Discipline is kindness to your future self. And when you fail, and you will, do not throw your sword to the dirt. Wipe it, bow to the lesson, and swing again. Kaizen, small continuous improvement, is the path of the enduring warrior.